Greetings to everybody, and welcome to our guide to successful budgeting for money management. Being financially stable and independent are highly desired in today's environment. Therefore, being able to handle your money wisely is essential. Learning the art of budgeting is essential to reaching your financial goals, regardless matter whether you're a fresh graduate eager to join the industry or someone trying to take charge of their money. However, what really is a budget, and why is it so crucial? Making a strategy for your financial spending and saving is the essence of budgeting. Whether your financial objectives are debt repayment, saving for a major purchase, or accumulating money for the future, it all comes down to matching your spending patterns with them. Budgeting effectively involves more than simply keeping track of your expenditures and setting spending limits. It's about taking charge of your money, choosing wisely, and eventually being financially independent. You may steer clear of needless worry, debt, and financial problems by knowing where your money is going and creating a clear financial future plan. We'll take you through the fundamentals of budgeting in this video series, from making a budget that suits your needs to putting sensible saving and investment methods into action. Everything from keeping track of your spending and setting spending priorities to creating an emergency fund and making retirement plans will be covered. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Understanding your financial situation. It is necessary to have a comprehensive awareness of your financial status prior to creating a budget. To begin, compile data on your earnings, outlays, loans, and savings. Pay stubs, bank statements, credit card statements, and invoices are a few examples of this. After you have a clear picture of your finances, you can start evaluating your spending and pinpointing areas that need work. Creating a budget. Establishing your financial objectives is the first stage in making a budget. Establishing clear objectives for your budget, such as building an emergency fund, paying off debt, or saving for a trip, can help you make better financial choices. It's time to divide your money into many areas, such as housing, transportation, food, utilities, entertainment, and savings, once you've determined your objectives. Commence by enumerating all of your revenue streams, including your pay, incentives, and additional revenue from rental properties or contract employment. Next, compile a list of every price you incur, including variable costs like food and entertainment and fixed costs like rent or a mortgage. Don't forget to mention any payments you're making toward debt, including credit card debt and school loans. To find out how much money you have left over each month, make a detailed account of all of your revenue and costs. Then, deduct your expenses from your income. After that, you may use this money for savings or other financial objectives. Tracking your spending. Monitoring your expenditures is crucial to creating a budget because it shows you where your money is going and helps you find areas where you can make savings. You may keep track of your spending in a number of ways, such as by saving receipts and manually documenting costs, or by using a spreadsheet or budgeting tool. Regardless of the approach you use, make careful to classify your expenditures so you can determine how much you're spending on each item. This will make it simpler to find places in your budget where you can make savings and make any necessary modifications. Managing your debt. Financial independence may be seriously impeded by debt, therefore it's critical to have a strategy in place for handling and eliminating any outstanding debt. Make a list of all of your debts, together with the amount owed, interest rate, and required monthly payment, to start. After that, order your bills by interest rate, paying off high-interest debt first and keeping up with the minimum payments on lesser loans. To pay off your bills more quickly, think about using the debt avalanche or snowball methods. By paying off the lowest obligation first, you may utilize the money you were saving for the next smallest bill, and so on, when you employ the debt snowball strategy. By paying off the loan with the highest interest rate first, you may use the debt avalanche approach to prioritize your obligations depending on interest rates. Building an emergency fund. Financial security requires having an emergency fund, which acts as a safety net against unforeseen costs like medical bills, auto repairs, or job loss. The emergency fund should be enough to cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenditures, but you should start small and add to it gradually. Set up monthly automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account to start building your emergency fund. As with your rent or mortgage payment, see your emergency fund as an absolute need and put building it up ahead of other financial objectives. Saving for the future. It's critical to save for the future in addition to emergency funds, whether that be for a down payment on a house, retirement, or your children's school. 401k and 403b plans are examples of employer-sponsored retirement plans. If your company matches your contributions, this is a good place to start. If your company does not provide a plan, you should think about creating an individual retirement account, IRA, and making monthly contributions to it. Consider setting up monthly automatic transfers from your checking account to your investment or savings accounts. This will make it simpler to save regularly. You won't need to worry about saving in this manner since it will happen on its own. Adjusting your budget. It's critical to modify your budget in response to changes in your financial circumstances. This might include shifting money around to other categories, reducing spending, or looking for methods to bring in more money. Make sure your budget accurately represents your current priorities and financial objectives by reviewing it on a regular basis. Be ready to make modifications as necessary. Conclusion. The foundation of sound money management is understanding the fundamentals of budgeting. People may take charge of their money, reach their financial objectives, and create a more secure future by putting the basic ideas covered in this video into practice. Making educated judgments regarding their spending, saving, and investing behaviors is made possible by budgeting. It offers a clear roadmap for achieving financial success by assisting with cost prioritization, expenditure elimination, and resource allocation. Additionally, budgeting encourages people to keep a careful eye on their income and spending and modify their financial plans as necessary. This promotes a feeling of financial responsibility and awareness. By budgeting, people can find areas where they are overspending and places where they can save money, which helps them pay off debt, save for emergencies, and make investments in the future. Living within their means and sticking to a set budget help people feel less stressed and more at ease about their financial situation. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.